Okay, since you just showed me what amazing smarty pantses you were for being able to count by tens from any number, today I am going to give you a little secret, a little trick on how we can make what looks like a really hard math problem be as simple as that. Okay? So, first of all, let me give you a math problem that looks kind of tricky, okay? So let's do maybe 57 plus 32. Okay, nope. So, in my head, I'm thinking, okay, 57 plus 32. I could do a couple of things. I could start counting on my fingers. Okay, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. But I'm going to run out of fingers, aren't I? And I'm going to get really mixed up in my head. Okay, so new plan. Forget the fingers. Don't have enough. Oh, I know.
89.
My BFF, the number chart. He's my BFF because he tells me all the answers. So I could start at 57 and count up 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh, I lost my spot. Okay, let me go back. What? This is going to take forever. I thought you told me that you had a secret trick for making this go super easy.
89.
Well, I do have a secret. Are you ready? The secret trick is called chop it in half. Chop it in half.
The secret
You know how we have been
89.
working for so many days on the tens and the ones? Well, we're just going to take the tens and the ones and we're going to chop it in half. And it is going to make our math problem like this. Let me show you what I mean.
81.
So the first thing,
It's 89.
so the first thing that we're going to do is going to look a little weird because I'm going to go backwards instead of forwards. Normally when we read, we start over here and go that way. But to do these math problems, I start at the ones and go that way. So I'm going to go backwards. So I'm just going to look at the 7 and the 2. Without interrupting, but raising your hand, can we figure out what 7 plus 2 is? Oh yeah. Benjamin, what's 7 plus 2? No, just tell me 7 plus 2. 9, thank you. Okay, so then I'm going to look at the other half of 5 plus 3. We know these problems are easy. Zoe, what's 5 plus 3? 8. Very good. So now, when I look at what I chopped in half, 57 plus 32 was
89.
89. I just added the ones. And then I added the tens.
Oh.
Super duper easy.
And it makes the number for you.
Exactly.
I already knew
We're
that.
doing a video right now, so I expect you to sit down and not get up until this is over. All right, let's try another one now that you know the fabulous secret trick. Let's try 61 plus 27. Okay, so again, I could go 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70,
88.
But I'm going to get all mixed up. Alrighty, so since counting on our fingers and trying to count on a number chart is going to be really tricky and take us a while, we're going to do the chop in the half way. So again, I'm going to go backwards and I'm going to start with the ones. So what is 1 plus 7?
Definitely 8.
Cooper?
8.
8. Very good. Okay, then I look at the other side. What is 6 plus 2? Dominic?
8.
8. So then that 61 plus 27 is
88.
88. Okay, what if I did this? Let's change it up a little bit. Let's try this. What if I do 95 minus 31?
Oh.
Now what do I do?
I don't even know.
What should I do now?
No.
Oh, I see. I love your hands.
55. But when you say 5, you take away the 1.
Girlfriend wore her smarty pants today. It is the same thing. We're just going to minus. So we're going to cover it up again. And we do 5 minus 1. So what's 5 take away 1? Max? 4. Very good. And then we do the other side. What is 9 take away 3? Benson?
6.
6. So then we can figure out that 95 minus 31 is 64. So it's the same thing whether it's pluses or minuses. We can just chop it in half. Okay? I think you're going to get this pretty easy. So here is your job this fine, fine morning. You are going to get some...
Paper.
Oh, I get them over here.
Stop.
You are going to get your own math problems. And these ones are pretty easy because they've already chopped it in half for you. You can see they've already done that. So your job, oh, there is one thing we need to talk about on here that's a little bit different. So you can see I used my, I used a paper to cover in half. You can use your finger to cover in half, or you might just know what to do. So if I look at this one, I'm covering up the tens, and for the ones, I see 3 plus 5. So what is 3 plus 5? Max?
8.
8. Now over here, though, I have something a little bit different. Because look, when I cover that up, I have a 3 and I have a nothing. What do I do if there's nothing there? It's a blank space. Lady, what do I do?
It's a 3.
I just pretend that this is a...
0.
Yeah, it's like this is a 0. There's nothing there. So what is 3 plus 0 or 3 plus nothing?
0.
Kira? 3. So then I would see that 33 plus 5 is 38. Okay? So your job is to use your pencil and you are going to add the ones at the tens and get these done the speedy quick trick way now that you know it. And when you are ready for me to check, just raise your hand and I will be happy to come check for you. Since you have your smarty pants on today, can you help pass those out? Put your name on the top, and as soon as you get it, raise your hand. If you need help with something, just raise